Every day, millions of vehicles move along the highways. The sound of horns, the roar of engines, the endless traffic, these are everyday scenes. But behind this routine, danger is always lurking: road accidents. That morning, the road seemed normal. Cars and motorcycles moved at an average speed. But in just a split second, everything changed. A motorcycle tried to overtake from the right side, while a car from the opposite lane came speeding toward it. The crash was inevitable. A loud bang filled the air, followed by the screams of shocked witnesses. The rider was thrown to the asphalt, his helmet flew off, and the motorcycle was dragged several meters. Bystanders rushed to help, some calling for an ambulance, others trying to stop the bleeding. Time seemed to slow down in the middle of chaos. Traffic came to a halt, and every driver on the road became a witness to the tragedy. Moments later, the ambulance arrived, sirens blaring. Paramedics quickly provided first aid, oxygen, bandages, and emergency treatment. The police came to manage the traffic and record eyewitness statements. What used to be a routine road suddenly turned into a scene of sorrow and concern. Road accidents can happen to anyone, sometimes caused by speeding, negligence, or just a moment of distraction. But the impact is always the same: injuries, loss, and sometimes death. Every second on the road is a responsibility not just for yourself, but for everyone around you.
Блять, на Москву тоже стали, пиздец. Ох, ё.
Remember this: one small decision on the road can decide between life and death. Drive carefully, follow the rules, and care for others, because safety is everyone's right.